let's talk smoked mac and cheese. Now, I did a mac and cheese video on the Traeger last summer. You may have missed it because I didn't post it. It was okay. I researched different ways to do it, and last year I actually just cooked my noodles and then put all of the ingredients into a aluminum tin and put it on the smoker and mixed it and hoped for the best. And you know, I don't measure, so maybe that was one of my downfalls. It just wasn't rich and creamy. It had smoke, but the top got a little bit crusty and I didn't really love it. So this summer I decided to try it again, and stay with me in this video because I'm going to show you the step-by-step of exactly what I did, and it turned out so cheesy and creamy.
I'm starting by making my cheese sauce, which simply consists of melting butter, adding a sprinkle of flour, milk, and sharp cheddar until it's smooth and creamy. Then I add my already cooked noodles, and I smoked some bacon too, so I added that. In the tray it goes, topped off with a little bit of bread, crumbs, more cheese, and more smoked bacon. On the Traeger smoker it goes at 275 degrees for about an hour and a half, just to add that smoke flavor but keep that creaminess.
So if I had to recommend on one of two ways of doing mac and cheese, it's make it ahead, then put it in the smoker to give it that smoky flavor. And you will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching another episode of The Silly Kitchen. Till next time.